I think we're all looking forward to a wonderful July 4th weekend in our backyard with friends and family, and obviously some great beef off the barbecue. These are two of my favorites. I guarantee if you duplicate these bad boys, you will have fireworks in your backyard and not need to go anyplace else. So let's start with the 7-time award-winning burger. It's got a caramelized onion and bacon jam, shaved pickles, American cheese, and secret sauce on a toasted brioche bun. And we have some chili rub skirt steak tacos with a charred jalapeno and red onion salsa, some sliced avocado, and some grated cotija cheese and a squeeze of lime. Absolute winners, will blow your family and friends away. Don't try and cook everything at once, all right? Cook everything in batches, especially your vegetables you can do ahead of time, but cook in small portions so you can control it. Very hot grill. Always get your grill as hot as possible. Give it a nice brush with your grill brush. Clean it up a little bit. A little oil on a damp rag. Brush those grill grates and nothing will stick. Cook with very high temperatures, but always have a place on your grill where you can move things off to the side in case it gets too hot too fast. You want to avoid fire when you're cooking. It might look cool, but it results in a carbon flavor, which is not what we want to eat. Most importantly, kosher salt and black pepper. All right, season your beef. Beef needs to be seasoned. It brings out the natural flavor, and it also helps develop a really nice char and crust on the beef, which is something we're looking for. Don't play with your beef, okay? Let it cook. Let it caramelize. Let it char. If I see you flipping your burger 17 times, I'm going to smack you in the face with your spatula. I'm just kidding. I'm not threatening violence, but let the burgers do their thing, okay? And most importantly, once you get the desired temperature and doneness that you're looking for, when you pull your steaks and burgers onto a cutting board, they're all fired up, right? They're all fired up. Let them rest. Let them rest for just a couple minutes to let those juices evenly redistribute throughout the meat, because you want a juicy steak and a juicy burger, not a juicy cutting board. You guys can go to beefitswhatsfordinner.com for hundreds of grilling recipes and tips that'll help you this weekend and all summer long.